CLAS is a think tank, and we look at and propose policy ideas for an industrial strategy. And with support of the ERA Foundation, we supports policy environment for the electech manufacturing sector. So the research we've been looking at is how manufacturing can really manage some of the big energy costs, the resilience and security of supply. So we're looking at some of these big questions that would, in a broad industrial strategy, feed into how do you keep all these things together so that manufacturing can continue and prosper. The main focus that Civitas has taken with the ERA in doing this research is to come up with a survey and a series of roundtables and interviews in which we can really get to grips and ask manufacturers what are the big things that they're finding. Is it is it cost? Okay, cost is the big thing we're all used to talking about now because we've had this and we've had various relief schemes. So we want to know a bit about that, but also about the kind of supply issues that they have. That is one of the big things. And do we have a quality of supply? So one of the things that we hear a little bit about is do you get this kind of intermittency of supply? And that's a big thing. If you're putting a lot of energy and time and policies into creating your electrical supply, actually at the end of the day, if there's some intermittent problems, you're going to have to try and resolve those. And what are the ways in which you do that? Is it through batteries? Because again, in the context of talking about SMEs, that's quite a bit for them to absorb. So we also want to know a bit about that. And are there SMEs out there who can tell us a bit about that? So we conduct a survey and we've got a few roundtables going. So that's the kind of thing we're doing today.